Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning video about method and strategies in teaching. In this video, we will delve to the different subcategories of teacher movement. As we make our way through the complex network of teacher dynamics, delving into the various subcategories yields valuable knowledge about the multifaceted dilemmas and goals faced by educators around the globe. The first movement of teacher is trust. This action of teacher where he or she proceeding without assessing, burst into activities without assessing students' readiness and give order, statements, or questions that confuse students. Another subcategories of teacher movement is called dangling. Dangling happen when the teacher hanging activity by giving another. In other words, teacher ends an activity or drop a topic before it is completed. The next subcategories movement of teacher is truncation. The teacher ends an activity or drops a topic abruptly. One kind of truncation is when a teacher purposefully ends a lesson or activity too soon. The next one is called flip-flop. This is the tendency of an individual to switch back and forth between two activities, especially when one of the activities was initially left incomplete or paused. In flip-flop, the teacher returns to a left activity while currently doing an activity. The next subcategories of teacher movement is stimulus-bounded. A stimulus-bounded is a learning environment in which internal elements or stimuli influence or divert students' attention from their studies. Due to a variety of internal distractions, students may find it difficult to retain their focus and involvement in such an environment. Another movement of teacher is called overdwelling. In this, the teacher do excessive concentration or extended attention on a certain topic or subject matter, frequently at the expense of a more comprehensive and varied view of the world. This idea is applicable to many facets of life, from personal interests and pastimes to career goals and educational fields. In simple word, overtime in one topic. Lastly is known as overdwelling. Overlapping multitasking occurs when individuals attempt to engage in multiple tasks concurrently, often leading to a fragmented focus that hampers the quality of each activity. Multitasking results negatively. Of subcategories of teacher movement behavior, what is happening when the teacher is too immersed in a small group of students or activity, thus ignoring other students or activity? A. Truncation. B. Flip-flop. C. Stimulus-bounded. D. Thrust. The correct answer is letter C. Stimulus-bounded. Of subcategories of movement behavior, what is happening when the teacher ends an activity abruptly? A. Thrust. B. Truncation. C. Stimulus-bounded. D. Flip-flop. The correct answer is B. Truncation. The following falls under what philosophy of Kunin? Greg, you need to remember the rules in algebra before you can solve an equation. Jason, it is your turn to work at the computer now. Greg, remember that you must first multiply and divide before we can add or subtract. A. Ripple effect. B. Effective transition. C. Overlapping. D. Momentum. The correct answer is C. Overlapping. Of subcategories of the teacher movement behavior, what is happening when the teacher ends an activity or drops a topic before it's completed? A. Dangle. B. Thrust. C. Flip-flop. D. Truncation. The correct answer is letter A. Dangle. Of subcategories of movement behavior, what is happening when the teacher goes from topic or activity to other topic or activities, lacking clear direction and sequence of activities? A. Thrust. B. Flip-flop. C. Truncation. D. Dangle. Correct. The answer is letter A. Thrust.